my channel. And I know it's been a long time, and I know I keep saying that, but I am back, and I am excited for this weekend. Yes, tomorrow's Halloween, and I am so excited. I have a treat for you guys tomorrow, so make sure you guys tune in tomorrow. And if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, please do. I'm at 72 subscribers, and I am very, very thankful, and I love you all. And just subscribe, guys. But anyways, tonight we have I got Casey's Pizza. Yes, it's very, very good. If you've never had it, try it. And then I got a salad over here, but I'm missing croutons. I could not find my croutons, which is a shame. But anyway, I have ranch dressing to dip my pizza in. You know we gotta have that ranch, yeah. And I also have some Frank's Red Hot. I love Frank's. It's one of my favorite hot sauces. I like spicy things, so yes. And I'm sure you guys will see that more to come, that on this channel we're gonna ramp up the spice here pretty soon, so stay tuned. Well, anyway, let's get started, guys. I'm just gonna put that down here. And I also have a Mountain Dew Zero to drink. So let's pop that tab. I gotta wet my whistle before I dig in, you all know it. All right, guys. Oh, it's gonna fall apart, and it might be a little bit messy, but look at that, guys. Look at that pizza. It is, the thing is, it's extra greasy. The pepperonis are so greasy, so I fair warn you. Let's take a bite. Their cheese is like so like, oh my gosh, it tastes so much like the real mozzarella. I'm not joking. And you wouldn't think that their pizza would be so good being a convenience store, but it really is. You gotta try it. And they have all kinds of other things there you can order to eat. Like, let's put some ranch on that bad boy. Yes. Oops. You guys, we went out today and we got my kids some Halloween buckets. We call it like the Great Pumpkin Comes, because we probably won't take them trick-or-treating tomorrow, but they're still gonna dress up. They're still gonna dress up, and we're going to take them over to their papa's and let them to get candy and everything. But yes, so I'm excited for tomorrow. But that moon outside, guys, if you haven't seen it, oh my gosh, it's a full moon and it's gorgeous. Yes. But anyway, I got a salad here, and it just has tomatoes and cheese and ranch, and I just love to put just a spinach salad. You know, sometimes I have lettuce, but mainly just spinach salad. So you guys, it is so hard to get my husband in here when he started his new job. I am so sorry, but I will let you guys know when he is able to join me again, because I don't want to keep promising and then him not be able to. It's just been a rough 2 weeks. I mean, not bad, a rough 2 weeks, but I mean, like, with homeschooling and his new job and everything. But But I got a treat for you guys tomorrow. I'm really excited for. And I promise you that it's gonna happen. So stay tuned. I just love ranch on my pizza and hot sauce. Here, let's just take a piece. Put some hot sauce on that bad boy. Light it up. Yes. If y'all like hot sauce on your pizza, just comment down below and let me know. Because I sure do. Hopefully you guys can see that. See that hot sauce? Yes. Let's add some ranch with that hot sauce. Ranch it up. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to Shay ASMR. Girl, you are amazing. I love your mukbangs. I love your ASMRs. And I really, really, really love the movie recommendations. And thank you for the generosity gift for winning the giveaway. I really, really appreciate it. And I want to try for the other one, but I don't want to be greedy. I want to give everybody else a chance, you know. And I might not even win, but you know, I was gonna try, and I didn't know how you would feel about it, but I just don't want to be greedy, you know. I'm not a greedy person, so. Excuse me. I like to do everything with love and compassion, you know, and be thankful for what I have and everything. And yeah, so. But I still might try to guess, but if somebody else guesses, you know, go for them, you know. It doesn't bother me, you know. I just like to interact, and I just like to support the ones that I am subscribed to, and all the mukbang channels, you know. I mean, I'm not subscribed to all the mukbang channels, but I like to support them, if you know what I mean. Because they give me support, you know? Even if they did give me support, I am like the supporting type. I like to support who I follow. And I'm not on this platform to make money. I mean, it would be a wonderful blessing, but I mean, I'm here to, like I said, always said from the beginning, to share my life, to bring a smile if possible, to help somebody, or just to be entertainment for somebody. I mean, you know. There's many different reasons why people watch, you know, mukbangs or ASMRs or whatever it may be. So, I mean, But I love you all. I am going to start uploading more. Instead of like once a week. Everything's starting to settle down a little bit, so hopefully I'll get back, you know, to uploading more like I did when I first started. No more hot sauce. Some ranch. Oh man. I just love these tomatoes. I just wish I had some croutons though, but it's all good. It still tastes really good. I hope you guys have a wonderful Halloween tomorrow. And get lots of candy for me. I'm just joking. But anyway, really just, you know, have fun with your family if you can. I mean, don't let what's going on in the world stop you, you know what I mean? But, you know, always be careful and everything, but just enjoy, still enjoy life. That's Spike, guys. Whew. Kind of ate that fast. I was hungry. But I think I'm done here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you watch my videos, all you gotta do is subscribe. It helps me out. I want to reach that 500 subscribers so we can give a big giveaway to 4 lucky winners. I still have not forgot about that. But thank you all for the ones who have subscribed. I really, really appreciate it and really am so blessed. But I am so glad to see you all tonight and to be able to see you all again. And I really appreciate you all and I love you all. And don't forget to like, smash that like button, hit that bell to be notified, and subscribe to my channel. And tomorrow, guys, come back because I have a very, very treat for you guys. Trick or treat. It's not a trick, it's gonna be a treat. But I love you guys and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, my loves. Bye-bye.